Banking news for the month of September 2024. POP launches India's first multi-brand co-branded credit card with RuPay and S Bank. POP, a fintech startup founded by former Flipkart employees, has introduced India's first multi-brand co-branded credit card in partnership with RuPay and S Bank. This innovative card, known as the YEB Bank Pop Club RuPay credit card, integrates major brands like Zomato, Blinkit, Cult, Rapido, ClearTrip and PharmEasy to address key daily spending areas including e-commerce, groceries, food and beverages, travel and health fitness. Tamil Nadu's rising fintech PaySharp secures RBI authorization. In a significant development for India's fintech landscape, PaySharp, an emerging startup from Tamil Nadu, has achieved a major milestone. On August 30, 2024, the Reserve Bank of India granted PaySharp its final authorization, cementing the company's position in India's dynamic payment system ecosystem. SBI Foundation launches third edition of Asha Scholarship Program. The State Bank of India Foundation has unveiled the third edition of its flagship initiative, the SBI Asha Scholarship Program. This ambitious program aims to support 10,000 talented students from underprivileged background across India, offering substantial financial assistance to help them pursue their educational dreams. RBI imposes penalties on Godrej Housing, Hudco and Aadhar Housing Finance. The Reserve Bank of India has levied penalties on 3 non-banking financial companies for failing to comply with its directives on housing finance companies. The penalties are as follows. Godrej Housing Finance Limited and Aadhar Housing Finance Limited were each fined Rs 5 lakh, while Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited faced a penalty of Rs 3.5 lakh. RBL Bank teams up with Indian Oil for new credit card. Private sector lender RBL Bank has launched a new credit card in collaboration with Indian Oil Corporation, named Extra Credit Card, as part of its strategy to moderately grow its credit card portfolio and enhance customer engagement. The move comes amid scrutiny from the RBI over the rapid growth of the riskier unsecured credit segment. Union Bank of India becomes first major bank to join PCAF. Union Bank of India has made a significant move by becoming the first major bank to sign on to the Partnership for Carbon Accounting Financials. This decision reflects a growing global focus on managing climate risk and aligns with the recent draft guidelines on climate risk disclosures issued by the Reserve Bank of India. UPI users can now send 5 lakh for some transactions. The National Payments Corporation of India has increased the transaction limits for tax payments using UPI by allowing people to send 5 lakh in a single transaction. Acquiring entities must ensure that the clarification of their merchants within MCC 9311 strictly addressed to the tax payments only. Merchants shall ensure UPI as a payment mode is enabled for the increased limit for the tax payments category. HDFC Bank aims to boost income of 5 lakh marginal farmers by 2025 under Parivartan. India's private sector bank HDFC looks to increase the income of 5 lakh marginal farmers who earn less than 60,000 annually by 2025 as part of corporate social responsibility Parivartan. The bank's focus on rural development reflects continued commitment to fostering sustainable growth and uplifting vulnerable communities. DPIIT to launch Bhaskar, a revolutionary platform for India's startup ecosystem. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry is set to launch a groundbreaking digital platform named Bharat Startup Knowledge Access Registry under the Startup India program. This initiative aims to strengthen India's startup ecosystem by centralizing and streamlining collaboration between key stakeholders like startups, investors, mentors, service providers, and government bodies. It aligns with India's vision to become a global leader in innovation and entrepreneurship, further boosting the country's commitment to the startup movement. LIC appoints Infosys for Next Gen Digital Platform. The Life Insurance Corporation of India has selected Infosys to develop its next generation digital platform as a part of its DIVIVE, Digital Innovation and Value Enhancement Program. This new platform will serve as an integrated end-to-end solution, enhancing customer services, business lifecycle management, and operational activities for sales intermediaries, whilst also offering a digital front end for branch employees. Banks and FIS to invest Rs 32.5 trillion in renewable energy by 2030. At the 4th Reinvest Summit hosted by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Confederation of Indian Industry, leading renewable energy developers, manufacturing companies, banks and financial institutions pledged close to Rs 386 billion, that is Rs 32.45 trillion, to develop RE projects by 2030. India aims to build 500 gigawatt of RE capacity by 2030, but commitments from the solar power industry have reached 570 gigawatt. Reliance Industries leads the pack with a 100 gigawatt commitment, followed by NTPC 41.3 gigawatt and renewable 40 gigawatt. Yes Bank and Paisa Bazaar launch feature-rich Paisa Save cashback credit card. Paisa Bazaar, India's leading online marketplace for customer credit and free credit score platform, has partnered with Yes Bank, India's 6th largest private sector bank, to unveil their co-branded credit card, Yes Bank Paisa Bazaar Paisa Save credit card. KVS Manian assumes office as Federal Bank CEO. KVS Manian has officially taken charge as the Managing Director and CEO of Federal Bank, effective September 23, 2024. He succeeds Shyam Srinivasan, who retired after successfully leading the bank since 2010. Manian joins Federal Bank following a distinguished career at Kotak Mahindra Bank, where he worked for over 25 years and played a key role in its transformation from a non-banking financial companies to one of India's leading private sector banks. Axis Bank and MasterCard launch Me Bus credit card for small business owners. Axis Bank, a leading private sector bank in India, has partnered with MasterCard, a global payments technology firm, to launch the Me Bus credit card, specifically designed for sole proprietors and small business owners. This premium world MasterCard offers a comprehensive suite of business and travel benefits tailored to meet the diverse needs of small and medium-sized enterprises. Bank of Baroda and Ease My Trip launch co-branded travel debit card. Bank of Baroda, in collaboration with EaseMyTrip.com, has introduced the Bank of Baroda Ease My Trip co-branded travel debit card, aiming to cater to frequent travelers and those with a penchant for entertainment and lifestyle. This initiative marks the first co-branded travel debit card launched by a public sector bank in India, reflecting the growing trend towards customized financial products. IndusInd Bank reappoints Sumit Katpalia as MD and CEO. The board of IndusInd Bank has approved the reappointment of Sumit Katpalia as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer for another 3-year term from March 24, 2025 to March 23, 2028, pending approval from the Reserve Bank of India and shareholders. Thank you.